Good morning, guys. So I literally just like woke up and I decided to do a little hair tutorial for you guys. I am not a pro, so don't judge me. I'm actually just using like natural light. I don't have my ring lights or anything like that, all that shenanigans. So if my color seems to be going on and off, that's Mother Nature doing its thing. But anyway, so last week, oh my gosh, last week I wore my hair natural for the first time, and I got so much like amazing feedback from you guys, and like it was just such an amazing feeling, and just rocking my hair for the first time on my Instagram, and just like I don't know, like, and I totally plan on rocking this for a while. Of course, I'm going to use other protective hairstyles and whatnot, but I would definitely want to embrace my natural hair more, and this is gonna push me to like try out new different natural hairstyles and whatnot. So my friend convinced me, my friend Cindy convinced me to try out it's called a, is it Bantu twist? I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I tried it out, but it turned out okay. It was really good, actually. You can see the pictures of how it turned out, but I didn't leave it on for a long time. I feel like if it stayed on in my if it stayed on for a while to dry out for a while, it would have turned out really more beautiful. So I'm trying it out for the second time and see how this time's gonna turn. Hopefully it turned out more fabulous than the way it was last week. Anyways, so I actually washed my hair yesterday, and I just braided it into like little dookie braids and whatnot, and I'm just already moisturize it. And I use a lot of products, but this is one of the products that I use, if you can see it. Wait a minute, the sun is disrespectful. Yeah, anyways, right here, this is one of the, no, it's not good. So anyways, I use a lot of beautiful products, which I'll link below, to like moisturize my hair and whatnot. A lot of the products are actually SheaMoisture, and I absolutely love their products. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and like blow dry the rest of my head, because I have to blow dry in order to start doing the style and whatnot. Voila, now my hair is completely blow dried and super moisturized. Yeah, this is how it looks. And then I'm gonna go and start parting it and do my little knots and whatnot. Here we are. Crazy hair. So to make this easier, I am going to part my hair in different sections. Then I'm gonna go by little small pieces and twist it out, and then I have little small rubber bands. You can use whatever moisturizer you want to use for your hair, but I am using the Hold and Shine Moisturizer Mist by SheaMoisture. I absolutely love it. As you can see it, the light, like I say, I'm shooting in natural light, so you don't want to use a lot of products. Like that's what I used last week. I used leave-in conditioner, so and I probably ended up using a lot. Actually, to be honest with you, I'm gonna twist it first. And people say don't make it too tight, so I'm gonna twist it, then put in a little knot thing. Some people are super different. They just go ahead and start twisting. You start from the root of your head, they just go ahead and start twisting like this. And then when you come over there halfway, that's when you start going around. Into the little knot. And tuck in the hair. Some people use bobby pins. I decided to use the rubber bands, and I am actually going to cut this with the scissors. I'm ready. So I'll turn out like that, but I want to twist it first, and then roll it up. So I'm kind of like going to undo it. I just want to show you guys different ways you can do it. So far, this is what I have done, and then this is what I have left to do. I kid you not, this hairstyle, it's a lot of work, and I feel like that's why I always wear like protective hairstyles like weaves and braids, because it's like so hard, you know, to take care of natural hair, because it's a lot of time consuming. But I'm loving it. This is the most I've ever, like, you know, had my natural hair out for a long period of time, and you know, I'm enjoying getting to know my hair and getting to level up on it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and finish this and be done with it. guys, I am all done. Yeah, I feel like this time I did them really small. I hope it turns out really good because I put a lot of time into it. And yeah, I'll show you guys on my next video, which is going to be on Saturday when I take it out, because I'm going to for my cousin's graduation. So I'm gonna take it out on Saturday morning, like super early in the morning, and I'll show you guys when I take it out and how I style it. And yeah, I feel like I feel like this one's like super tight. I saw some other videos where the girls were saying like don't make them really tight. I don't know, but I feel like I made this one super tight. You can see, kind of see my skin and stuff. But yeah, some girls use little bobby pins. I feel like they fall off really easily. I went ahead and I just like used my rubber bands that I showed you guys earlier on that I used, and I got them from like Target for like what, like $5, 100 of them. That comes in this little bag, and actually it's different sizes, like the large one, a medium one, a small one, like a really small one. That's my container of all, not all, but some of my hair products that I use. Yeah, so here we are, voila. I feel like I can like do my makeup and just rock them like this. I don't know. But anyways,